If you want to set up pre-orders on Shopify, then here's what you're going to do. First, decide which products you want to sell as pre-orders. In your Shopify admin, go to products, just click on products right there on the left side panel, and then click on the first product that you want. From here, you will see the inventory section. So we're just going to click on that, and you will see under inventory section right here, what you're going to do is you're going to set the quantity to 0 and make sure that the option continue selling when out of stock is enabled. But you can also just click on, or you can just uncheck track quantity, and then this lets customer buy even if you don't have inventory yet. So now we're going to just save that, and to take this even further with the pre-orders, we're going to go to apps at the left side panel, and then from here you will see this ad. Just click on that ad, and then we're going to go and click on Shopify App Store. And then from here, we're going to search for pre-orders. So we're going to look for pre-order apps that will help us to build some pre-order page. So for this one, I'm just going to choose maybe pre-order wolf. You can choose whatever you want, but for this one, we're just going to click on install, and then we're just going to set up this app once it has been installed in your Shopify. So you're gonna have to let pre-order app view your personal data and view and edit your store data, and then you're just going to have to click on install. Now after that, you're just going to follow all the prompts and questions that it's going to ask you to answer, like maybe choosing the product that you want to add, and that's it. Just make sure that you adjust your order fulfillment process so pre-orders don't get marked as late shipments. Communicate regularly with customers about shipping timelines to build trust. And that's it. I recently created an hour-long step-by-step Shopify tutorial which can help you set up your store in no time. If you want to learn more, click here to watch the full video, and I'll see you there.